You can but should not watch this video unless you want to gain excess healthy weight.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
For this recipe, we're going to be using our chocolate. You could get chocolate chips or you could just get a bar of chocolate like this. And then we're also going to be using some raw honey. This honey is raw. I love to use raw honey all the time. We're also going to be using some peanuts and dried fruits. I just mixed it all together and we're going to be using that. And we're also going to be using our Quaker oats. Of course, we have to use this because it's a granola recipe, so yeah. And we're also going to be using milk powder all the time. Good. And we're also going to use some dates. Guys, you know how much dates are really nice. Each date contains like 70 calories, so it's really nice. So we're going to now use our mixing bowl and spoon. We're going to go ahead and take our oats and we're going to put about 7 spoons into the bowl. It actually depends on how much you want it to be or the quantity you're looking to get. Okay, so everything depends on the quantity you want to get. But for this particular recipe, I'm using 7 spoons of this deep spoon, you know, and I'm just going to put that into the mixing bowl. Next up, we're going to take the dried fruits and peanuts and we're just going to put it also into the bowl. You could actually add some almonds to this if you want, or you could, you know, just add any other nuts you feel you would like. You could also use peanut butter for extra calories. It all depends on what you want and what is available to you at the time. So we're going to just do that, and we are going to take the honey and we're going to put 2 spoons. I'm putting 2 spoons, but then I realized maybe a spoon is okay. So if you're not somebody that is really good with, you know, eating really sweet stuff, just put 1 spoon. 1 spoon is okay for you. Alright, but there's no wrong with the sugar here because it's almost like natural sugars because there's no actual sugar in this recipe. So we'll just put the honey, and then this is our dates. Make sure you soak them up and then you just, you know, break them up like that so that it's easier and, you know, it just really goes well. And then we'll put the dates and then we're gonna melt. This is a chocolate from earlier. I melted it now with this my little cup. So we're just gonna put this into the recipe, you know. You could actually add some Milo for extra thickness, okay? So you could mix up some Milo while melting the chocolate. It all depends on what you want to do and what's available to you, like I said. But this is like really healthy and this is really nice. The calorie content is really high and it also has high carbs, high protein, which is really nice. You could just have this snack before or after your workout. You could also just have it along the course of your day for the extra calories you need. You know, when it comes to gaining weight, you need extra calories. Everybody needs about 7,000 extra calories to gain 1 kg of weight. So guys, we're all about the calories, okay? So make sure you're doing that and you're doing it healthy. And this channel, we like to do it healthy, okay? So just do that, and yeah. And just in case you have issues with tailoring your meal plans or putting your diet together, you could always contact me for a consultation and we could discuss more ways and, you know, better ways to tailor them to suit your goals and to get you there faster. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our milk powder and we're going to add it into the bowl. The milk powder is going to add some calories as well as also create a stronger bond between the ingredients. It's going to make it more solid and easier for you to just roll it up into any shape you'd like. Some people actually bake after here, but we're not going to bake. You don't need to do that. We're going to use the freezer method. We're just going to put this into the shape we would like and then put it in the freezer. You don't need to do all of that. And for the shapes, you can get creative with it, okay? Just do whatever you want to do, but this is what it looks like after mixing it all up together. And now I took this flat plate and I'm trying to like lay it out. I was going for more like a bar like, you know, structure. I don't really know why it came out like that. It was not epic, but guys, it doesn't need to be. You just want it to re-rolled, and solid into a shape. And you could actually do balls. I think balls is quite easy. You just roll it into balls in your hand, and then but I was trying to be like artistic. I was bringing out like my creative side, and that is why we arrived at this. And yeah, so that is what it looks like. I just put it all together like this, and I just put it into these shapes and try to put the ingredients into each one and do it really nicely so that it looks really good. So after doing that, this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna put this in the freezer and let it stay for 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes are up, and this is the finished result. It all comes together really solid. Hi there, my name is girl Kenzie. I'm glad to have you watch this channel. If you're new, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're no subscriber, I love you so much. And I would love to hear your thoughts on this recipe in the comment and where you're watching from. I love you all, and I hope I see you all in my next video. And I hope you all enjoy this recipe because it's easy to make, and you could just do that. Like, you could do this literally at home by yourself, and it's really nice when it comes to gaining weight. I'm gonna make another video really soon, so stay tuned. Bye. Get some in now, cut your edge out.